Sales and operations planning. Supply chain planners face many challenges today, especially in times of disruption and sitting within complex global supply chains. In a recent survey, it was found that 52% of manufacturers and retailers reported major disruptions in demand and 30% in supply. Companies must rely on supply chain agility. If they are not responsive, somebody else will be. To make your supply chain agile and support business growth, you should collaborate with other parts of the business to respond instantly to changing demand. Try to gain better visibility into supply chain demand and the implications for manufacturing and logistics. And move from spreadsheet-based planning to modern digital technologies to quickly consolidate data from heterogeneous IT landscapes. Sales and operations planning can help you with 1. Collaboration. Break down operational and planning silos and improve teamwork and efficiency in the planning process. 2. Real-time planning. Balance demand and supply, integrate financial and operational planning, and link high-level strategic plans with mid- and long-term business plans. 3. Simulation and comparison of scenarios. Run simulations of demand or supply changes for what-if analysis and compare scenarios for fast, informed decision-making and to respond to the business challenges of today. S&OP offers robust what-if scenarios to anticipate issues and plan ahead, and quickly analyze circumstances as they unfold, to take corrective actions with full visibility into the impact of alternatives. 4. Performance monitoring. Measure actual performance against plans and monitor for future misalignment between operational and strategic plans and fast recalibration. 5. User adoption. SAP S&OP provides an easy-to-use Excel-based interface with embedded best practices and industry-specific templates. Implement SAP Sales and Operations Planning today and make your supply chains more agile and benefit from better decision-making, improved demand and supply plans, higher profitability through inventory optimization and safety stock reduction, accelerated order-to-cash processes, fast bottleneck identification and resolution, improved customer service, sustainable company growth. What are you waiting for?